Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can earn money from Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right here, you're going to find all of your sites and then here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new site and also to create a new folder. So right now, if you want to create a new site, just click on create new site. And then this will take you to this page right here. So you can set up your website using AI, or you can just set it up without a chat. So I'm going to show you guys how you can set it up without a chat. So first of all, you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. For example, I'm going to choose online store and then click on continue. After that, as you can see guys, the dashboard is being prepared. So just wait for it to load and then you're going to be right here in this page. So once you're here, you need to set up your store. Give your store a name. You can create a new one or use a name you already have. For example, I'm going to name it tutorial store. And then I'm going to click on continue. After that, you're going to be here in this section, online presence. Do you already have an online store? So this will help us customize your site based on your store's needs. So I'm going to click, for example, on no. I'm just starting out. Then click on continue. And then we're going to continue to the next step. Then they're going to ask you what kind of products you are selling. You can either choose physical products, digital, dropshipping products, and so on. For example, I'm going to choose physical products and then click on continue. Then you're going to find this question, how are you offering your product? You can either choose online store, in person, in my mobile app. So I'm going to choose online store and then continue to the next step. And then as you can see guys, now we are all set. Right now you can continue to your dashboard and then wait for it to load. And all you need to do guys right now is add your product and most importantly, set up your payment method. So just click on setup payments and then you can add your PayPal right here and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.